Kilo from November Bravo 2 Whiskey, clear takeoff 27 left, wind 210 degrees, 8 knots.
Clear takeoff 27 left, speedbird 5 kilos.
A quick tour of deck 16. As you'll see, this place is much more crowded than deck 8. Infinity pool there. Yeah, Horizon buffet just over on the left. And we'll go up to deck 17 for a better view. So now deck 17, another hot tub. View of the aft of the ship with the infinity pool. One of two infinity pools, there's one there and one over there. We'll continue on deck 17 now. This is the games area, kites, shuffleboard I believe it's called. The sports hub as P&O called it. Get my ankles taken out. Again, we're starboard side, so we've got north to our right, and therefore we don't have any sun this side, though it is extremely warm. I'd say it's about 27, 28 and very humid. Do have a stiff breeze blowing today, which we haven't had for the last 5-6 days. Kiddies Club here on the left, and we continue towards the Skydome. Another large hot tub whirlpool. Jacuzzi, call it what you like. And on the left here we have the Skydome. It's a place with the retractable roof, home with a small swimming pool and also day and night entertainment. Just gonna quickly stick our heads in there. Screen, and that's, I believe, the biggest pool here on Arvia. And of course, it's a nice day, they have the retractable roof open. So deck 17 now turns upstairs to 18. Come out the top here, turns into Smoker's Corner. This is the smoking area here on the ship. Just above here, deck 19, it's just the sun terrace. Not a lot up there. Busy this end for some reason today. And this is the Beachcomber pool and bar. And as the sign says, adults only. front here is the retreat, which is the paid for area. I believe for the whole 2 weeks, if you could have got booked in, because places are very limited. It was about £450 per person, but it does include snacks and I believe beers and wines. And as you can see, it's much quieter in there. There's the Beachcomber pool and bar. Not quite so manic in here today as it was the other day. The retreat again on the right hand side. So we're right at the forward of the ship here. And lots of sunbeds on this deck, pack them in like sardines. I'll be up early to grab these ones. It's not my idea of fun. I'm not a sun lounger type of person. I prefer to sit in a chair, partly in the sun, partly in the shade, and read a book. A couple of hot tub jacuzzis that look out to sea. They have glass sides to those. They were warm the other day, but I believe they've been refilled the last couple of days, and some said they were pretty cold at the moment. And back down again we go to 17. Past the Skydome. Past the other large whirlpool, hot tub. And then basically the whole deck continues just like it did on the starboard side. But we're going to go up to one of the decks up here, which is lost track of where I am. I think it's back up to 18, this one. So it's a bit of a running track here, so hopefully I won't get in the way. Then up to 19 you have the Altitude Sports Arena, the Altitude Skywalk, which is extra but not that much money, and mini golf. That's pretty breezy up here. That's closed the Skywalk area due to the wind. And that pretty much concludes the deck tours of 16, 17 and 18 here on P&O's Arvia.